Hi guys, back with another quick video. This one is an Evva DPS. It's quite a paracentric keyway, as you can see. I do have graphite on my hands and in the lock because it seemed to be a little bit sticky, but this one has like a double sidebar system. There's a sidebar in this part and a sidebar in this part. One of them is inactive. It actually just protrudes into the side of the keyway, and it has ups and downs which correspond with dealer cuts on the key. And as you can see, there's other sliders move up and down and allow or block the sidebar from entering into the side of the plug. In the top of the plug, or in the top of the cylinder, sorry, the core, we have a spring-loaded trap pin which won't come out of there, but it will protrude into the keyway and into a cutaway in the sidebar, which, if I get it open for you, I'll be able to show you. Now, as paracentric as the keyway is, once you get in past the front of the warding here, it's all wide open, so you can basically reach around in there and pick with impunity. These sliders do have false gates in them, but they don't seem to be too bad. The most trouble I seem to have is getting onto pin 1 because of how close to that warding it is, and just this general stickiness. Only using medium tension, and as I don't have a vice, I'm picking the kick in my hand, so it's I'd say a little bit awkward using counterclockwise tension. I have picked it both ways, just seems to be more comfortable and less damaging on the keyway with this tension wrench to go counterclockwise. Still haven't got any movement or clicks out of slider 1. There we go. And there we have it. Unlocked. Being that it's a sidebar system with no drivers, I don't need to worry about a follower. Just take this circlip off. If I can get onto it without releasing it. Try it around this way. It was working fine before, so maybe I've just blunted off my come around here to the key cutout. May give us a bit more room. Why wouldn't that frustrate you? We'll put it back into let's engage that trap pin anyway. There we go. That's what happens if you turn it around far enough that the sidebar hits it. Engages that trap pin, and even if I declip this, which I'm trying to do but having trouble, let's go back to the old-fashioned way. flathead screwdriver. Bring this clip around here, trap it against the keyway. But it doesn't like me at the moment. Stick that in there. It's definitely not feeling friendly towards me at the moment, is it? Try that. Nope, still just slid past it. Alright. Why are you misbehaving? Didn't have this trouble in previous guttings. Okay, circle it off, and it's still won't allow. Oh, actually, here we go. I didn't engage that sidebar. Yes, I did. Anyway, as you see, we have these sliders here, which are spring-loaded. Gutting tray out. It's not a pinning tray because I don't use it to pin locks. It's a gutting tray. It's a spring-loaded sidebar. Drop these sliders out one by one. Six is the springs for them. Only small. They appear to be made of steel and brass or copper. Steel, sort of coppery colour, those two, and steel. And on this side, reach up in there and push it out. It's the passive sidebar, which has those dealer cuts I mentioned. So plug down for the moment. Fit into the key, and that other portion just there gets pressed in by the trap pin if you rotate it too far. But if there is a key present, that little pin protrudes through the sidebar and stops that from happening. And here we have the other sidebar. spring loaded to force it out of the plug and into the cylinder wall. All 6 little teeth, I guess you'd call them. They bite into, I'm going to lose this. They fit into the true gates, which I don't know whether or not this will fit. There we go. There's a false gate above, true gate below. The bar fits into that. See if I can get it closer for a better view for you. Like so. Only when all 6 sliders are lifted to their correct positions will they allow the sidebar to retract in through the plug, or into the plug. Whoop. Starting to drop these springs out, they've never come out before. That's 1. 2. And I'll have to find the other one. Good job. Good job. Anyway, sit that there for the moment, it's not hurting anybody. Here we have the cylinder, the 2 channels cut for the sidebar. Trap pin at the top, which is spring loaded. It drops down into the centre, and there's no material to block it. And I'll just arrange these fingers, pins, whatever you want to call them, so that you can see the gates in them as well. Easier and better. I'll turn it around so that little pin's facing upwards. Now I assume because of the multiple gates on some of these that it is the master keying system. Don't you try and escape. But there are multiple gates, which in my experience and opinion means that they're easier to pick. And there's our missing spring. There we go. As you can see, the slider sits in a groove, spring loaded, with a portion protruding into the keyway for the key itself to interact with. The gates facing outwards towards the sidebar. Like so. And then the sidebar sits in the core. run this pick through here. It should hold them all in place, like so. We can put this sidebar back into the other side in this little home. Oops. Like so. That won't work, we've got the plug backwards, Tom. My apologies, my stupidity. Turn this around this way. Come through again. Like so. Holds them down in place. Now, start to put it in, but trap pin needs to be depressed. Give a thinner peak for that then, shall we? This one should be thin enough. Good. And reassembled. One Evva DPS. Bonus graphite. Thanks for watching.